Hello and welcome back to the Clever Mom YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about the top cheap and budget-friendly air fryers for 2023. With so many options available, we've done the research for you and have found the best air fryers at one breath away. Number 1. Greasy USA 3.7 quart air fryer best for such touchscreen non-stick coating. Okay, then let's dive right into the first product ready to place on our list. Greasy USA 3.7 quart air fryer, a kitchen appliance that has been taking the cooking world by storm. If you're a fan of crispy, delicious fried goods but don't want to deal with the hassle of treasure frying methods, then this air fryer might be a perfect solution for you. And with the price tag of just $72, it's also an affordable way to upgrade your kitchen gear. So, how does this air fryer stack up against other air fryers in the market? Well, one of the standout features of this model is its compact size, which makes it a great choice for small kitchens or those who don't have a lot of counter space. However, it's important to note that the 3.7 quart capacity may not be enough for large families or those who like to cook in large patterns. Moving on to some other interesting facts, this air fryer boasts a user-friendly interface with easy-to-use digital controls, making it a breeze to select your desired cooking time and temperature. It also comes equipped with a range of presets, allowing you to cook a variety of foods with just the touch of a button. Additionally, the non-stick coating on the fry basket makes cleanup a breeze. However, some users have noted that the non-stick coating can wear off over time with frequent use. So what is the best feature of this air fryer? It's a rapid gas circulation technology which allows you to cook your favorite foods with little to no oil, which means you can indulge in all your favorite fried treats without the added guilt of excess fats and calories. And since it uses hot air to cook your food, it also reduces the risk of splattering and burning yourself with hot oil. Overall, the Greasy USA 3.6 quart air fryer is a great opinion for those who want to enjoy their favorite fried foods without the waste and hassle of traditional frying methods. With its compact size, intuitive interface, and rapid air circulation technology, it's definitely a kitchen appliance worth considering. Number 2. Chef's 3.6 quart air fryer, best versatility, large capacity dishwasher set. The next product is for those who are looking for a healthier way to cook their favorite foods at a cheaper price. Then look no further than the Chef's 3.6 quart air fryer. This compact, powerful air fryer is priced at just $55, making it an affordable option to any kitchen. Compared to other air fryers on the market, the Chef's model boasts several advantages. First, its 3.6 quart capacity allows you to cook larger portions of your favorite foods, perfect for families or entertaining guests. Additionally, its sleek and compact design means it won't take up too much counter space in your kitchen. One of the best features of the Chef's air fryer is its ability to cook foods with little to no oil, making it a healthy alternative to traditional frying methods. The fryer also includes an adjustable temperature control and a 30-minute timer, making it easy to cook a variety of foods to perfection. While there are many benefits to the Chef's air fryer, it's important to note that it may not be suitable for larger families or those who frequently cook in large quantities. Additionally, it may take some time to adjust to the cooking lines and temperatures when using the appliance. Finally, the Chef's 3.6 quart air fryer is a great investment for anyone looking for a healthier way to cook their favorite foods. Its affordability, compact design, and healthy cooking methods make it a great addition to any kitchen. For all the healthy eaters, we've got more. The next product on our list is Dash Tasty Crisp 2.6 quart air fryer. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly and cheap air fryer, you are in luck. This model from Dash is priced at just $59 and is a great value for your money. Compared to other air fryers on the market, this air fryer stands out with its 2.6 quart capacity. The size makes it ideal for a small family or anyone with limited kitchen space. Its sleek and compact design also makes it easy to store when not in use. And you can use it to cook a variety of dishes from crispy fries to juicy chicken and veal. With this rapid air circulation technology, you can achieve that perfect level of crispiness without the need for extra oil. This makes it an excellent option for anyone who wants to cook healthier meals without sacrificing taste. While the Dash Tasty Crisp 2.6 quart air fryer has many disadvantages, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Its relatively small capacity may not be ideal for larger families or those who like to cook in larger quantities. Additionally, it may not have some of the advanced features found in higher-end models such as automatic shut-off or rotating basket. However, this air fryer is easy to use. With a simple and intuitive control panel, it can set to the pressure and cooking time in just a few clicks. Plus, the non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Either flat confusion, the Dash District Crisp 2.6 Quad Air Fryer is an excellent option for anyone who wants to enjoy the many benefits of the air fryer without breaking the bank. Its affordable price, versatility, and ease of use make it a great addition to any kitchen. Instant Pot Vortex 2 Quad Air Fryer. Best price, compact, easy to use. Last but not least, Clever Home is excited to introduce you to the #1 product on our list, Instant Pot Vortex 2 Quad Air Fryer. One of the most budget-friendly and cheapest air fryers currently available in the market. Priced at an affordable $25, this air fryer offers excellent value for your money. In comparison to other air fryers on the market, the Instant Pot Vortex 2 Quad Air Fryer stands out with its 2-part capacity. Its compact design makes it easy to stow in your kitchen, making it an excellent choice for smaller families or those with limited counter space. One of the most interesting facts about this air fryer is its user-friendly interface. Plus, the digital display makes it easy to set your cooking temperature and time to achieve perfect results every time. Despite its many advantages, the Instant Pot Vortex 2 Quad Air Fryer has some drawbacks. For instance, it has a relatively small capacity which may not be suitable for larger families or those who enjoy cooking in large quantities. And that concludes our list of the top cheap and budget-friendly air fryers for 2023. We hope this video has been helpful in your search for an affordable air fryer. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.